So I'm confused between Bhupen Hazarika.
ये क्या चीज है? What is this chant? ये कब गाया जाता है? जागो माँ तुम्ही जागो।
ये सदी दुर्गा पूजा।
क्या बात है, सही जवाब दिया। You're selected. I was waiting for you to trip. You didn't. I was not asking for who's singing it. It is Bhupen Hazarika.
Yes sir.
But it's जागो माँ तुम्ही जागो.
Yes sir.
Right?
Yes sir.
भारत माँ जाग चुकी है कि नहीं?
जी sir.
जागी है कि नहीं?
Sir बिल्कुल.
हाँ?
Yes sir. I feel it.
You feel it?
Yes sir.
Are you proud to be an Indian?
Yes, sir.
बेटी है भारत की। अच्छा बच्चे, ये कौन सा अटेम्प्ट है आपका?
So it was my 4th attempt. First means first interview.
First means first interview. मुझे एक चीज बताओ बेटा, why do you want to join the civil service?
So civil services would give me a lot of challenging work.
You think so?
Yes sir. Because
Sitting in the secretariat and clearing files about somebody's casual leave is challenging work?
so I believe since I put my first choice as the Indian Administrative Service, I would be getting to deal with the revenue, law and order and
In one
development
state,
work.
in one district.
So,
अगर आपको कहीं और नहीं भेजा तो क्या करोगी बेटी?
so I think a lot of officers, they took deputation in Central and they.
Oh no. It's not for you to volunteer. It's for us to choose.
But so I think even in the district level, in the grassroots level also, so a lot of work can be done.
You can't do it outside the IAS?
Of course, sir, it can be done outside the IS. But
Then?
if I am in the IS, I would get empowered to empower the
Thank
community.
you very much. So you want the power? बोल तो दिया आपने.
So that would be used to empower the
Am I saying?
communities.
You want the? I'm not asking you what you'll do with it. You want the power? मजा आता है ना पावर होने से? लाल बत्ती गाड़ी पे मजा आता है ना? मजा आता है कि नहीं?
No, sir, but actually that would give us a lot of opportunity also to work for
बेटा, वो
people.
मुझे सब मालूम है वो कहानी. I'm trying to ask you to give me an honest answer.
Yes, sir, that is the power.
You will enjoy the power.
It's the most prestigious job of the country.
Thank
I
you
want to be
very
a
much.
part of
Now
it.
you have come, clean with us. All
Thank
the
you,
rest
sir.
will give.